dudes and ladies, how you doing? Well, still sweating. Got back from I got the fat suit on again. Hold on a second. Got the fat suit on again, doing a bit of jogging, getting into my boxing. That's tough training. I had a back operation now 2.5 years ago, and it's enabling me to do a little bit more running. Probably shouldn't, but I probably shouldn't do a lot of things. You know what I mean? Anyway, right, so just back from a run. Let's have a look. I like the style forward on my face. It doesn't look too messy. I've been sweating quite a lot, so just have a little bit of a dry up. What I want to do for this one is quite a simple one, right? The water-based adhesive I use, I'm on Ghost Bond XL at the moment, and now I'm out jogging regularly. It's just luck, I think, right? If you just cool down. Now I've been cooling down for about 15-20 minutes, and I'll quickly get the baby wipes ready so I can feel I haven't got any sweat on my forehead. I always do this, right? This is all why I do this, right? Logically thinking, you know, there's adhesive water base. It runs down a little bit, right? Not the adhesive in. Let's have a look. You know, it doesn't run down, does it? Right, so basically what I'm trying to say is there is oils that come down, and when I've been really out running and sweating, I can feel it, you know, just a little bit of different texture. So when I come back, I just do this, as you know, just in front of the hairline, and that's just getting the oils, and I guess there's got to be some from the adhesive, even though it's water based. Better have a shower as well. These baby wipes, they really do show you whether you wash thoroughly or not. Anyway, go away. Right, so principle of what I'm about to say is, I think it's more luck about the product, but it re-adheres once my head's getting cool now, right? Because it's quite cold actually outside, so I'm cooling down, and the adhesive re-adheres, but I don't do anything like brushing it back or that kind of stuff, because the weakest area is going to be here, right? So before I go up and shower, I will do this, and I do this religiously every day, yeah? Twice a day, and I tell that to all the clients, right? So when you get up, use a towel. When you go to bed, use a towel. And if you can do it during the day as well, do it. But I can feel my head getting cool now, right? So it's got a chance to re-adhere. Look, it's not coming off, right? But it's got a chance to re-adhere even better. So I've got rid of all the sweat and any of the oils from the adhesive that have come down onto my forehead, and now I'm just gonna do the towel trick, and this is how I do it. Ta-da! Gone. No, joking. I've got to come up with something stupid, otherwise it's going to be like watching paint dry, isn't it? Let's watch paint dry. There we go. Right, okay. Right, so on top of the head, yeah, I know I look better. Right, like this. Let me do the side bit first. Go like this. And like this, holding my head. And like this. Then I go all the way around. But I'm holding my head in the middle, right? My head moves quite a lot, you know, like that. I don't know why. I think I've got a fat head. But that just helps with the bonding. And when I get to the hairline bit here,
Little Miss Friday Bird.
right, when I get to the end bit here, I just know exactly where the hairline is, here. And I just do that. But I'm not going anywhere near the hair today. So, crikey, it's dried it out as well. So for you anoraks, there it goes.
I can tell! I can tell!
You're not going to be able to tell today because I'm not going to brush it back, so I'm going to let it adhere. But I can promise you, I can have a little sneak view. Do you want a little sneak view? There we go, I can promise you it's bonding. Right, I better go and shower. Have the 3 S's. You don't want me to tell me what they are, do you? See you later, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like,
share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.